In this tutorial, we will be covering how to change views, movement within the environment, and the skeletal view. As a radiographer, it is important to be able to move around the room to see the different perspectives of the positioning that you are placing the patient in. These perspectives come under our camera angles. We have a radiographer view in which we are able to actually simulate walking around the room. We have our view from the collimator. We have our view to the left of the bucky selected, our view to the right of the bucky selected, our view from in front, our view from above, and our view from the exposure panel. All of these drop-down camera angles can be accessed via hotkeys. In the radiographer camera view, or accessed by Control 1, we can move around the room. Movement around the room can be done forward, sideways, left and right, or back by using the arrow keys located on your keyboard. This is similar to a gaming console where the W, A, S, and D keys will also move you around. Whilst this movement only allows for 90-degree angle, a click and hold of the right mouse button and a swivel of the mouse on the mouse pad will allow you to effectively change direction or turn your head. So you can end up walking around the room and getting in a better position. Unless that better position is something that can be accessed via the hotkeys. So as I said, Control 1 is where we are now. Control 2 is our view from the collimator. Control 3 is our view relative to the bucky selected. So if on my exposure panel I hadn't selected my table bucky, this view would be relevant to either the hand receptor or the erect bucky receptor. We have the other side, which is very useful when at the erect bucky, to come from the side of the patient or the side of the bucky. We have our on top or ceiling view, and this is the tube that's in our way now. And we also have our jump to the exposure control center. We have jumped here and are now in radiographer view. Holding the control key with the numerical key number 8. And likewise again to return his skin. And that concludes this tutorial.